Welcome back to the Humble Market Timer YouTube channel. Once again, if you enjoy the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, I want to talk about an investing and day trading strategy where if you recognize the setup, you're almost guaranteed to reap huge profits. And it's so simple, even a beginner can do it. Before I go any further, description, my disclaimer, these are my sole ideas, not investment advice. Now, this very simple strategy that I believe will work for either day trading or investing is that once you recognize that you have you're in the process of developing a bearish pattern, if you see that that bearish pattern is not taking shape, it really points to it being a massive bull pattern and you're about to get a huge move higher. And so what do I mean by that? If you use technical analysis, one of the most bearish indicators that we have is the M-top. And I have an example of the M-top right here. This is a chart of ELF. ELF, and if you can see, here is a very obvious M-top, and it's exactly what it sounds like. You have a top that looks like an M, and typically when you get this M-top, you get huge drops out of the M-top. It's sort of the signal of a top, and you get a massive reversal when you see this action. And you can see this action not only just in weekly charts or long-term charts, you can see it in daily charts, and you can also see it in minute charts for day trading purposes. It all acts exactly the same. It's the same type of formation, and depending on the time frame, you're going to get massive drops either in the short term, or if it happens in a long term or a long view, such as a weekly chart or daily chart, you're going to look for a long-term drop out of that M-top. Here's another example of the M-top. You can see it here in the Bitcoin chart. You can see you have also another M-top in a couple places. You have an M-top here where you have this move here. You go down, you see the obvious M, and look at the move down we had before we were able to curl back up. And then you also see the move in a more subtle M, but here also there was an M-top right here. We went up, down, up, and then look at the decline we're currently seeing in Bitcoin, all from the M-top. So M-tops, very bearish, very bearish. And so those are two examples of the M-tops from a longer term time frame. Let's look at it and see if it factors also in a short term. Here's a recent high flyer S dot, a ticker symbol SDOT. If you notice, look at this action here. You see the M, you see it's a slight move higher, but look at the move lower. And with these M tops, not all the time will the M top or the top of the M be completely parallel. Sometimes it may go up a little more. Sometimes it may be just a little lower. But the key is, if you see that formation, that is typically a very bearish formation. Now, as I mentioned in the early part of the video, if you notice that M top is in the process of forming, but instead of it coming all the way down on the latter side of the M-top, when you see a formation that looks similar to this, where you have the M-top, it's forming, it does the second side of the M, and it doesn't go all the way down. It starts to go down just a little bit, and you start to see consolidation. That's when the M-top has failed, and that is when the M-top turns into what is something that's very negative to something that can be very bullish. And you oftentimes see massive moves out of those failed M-tops. So that is what you're looking for. And if you can recognize it, and again, I don't think it's something difficult. I don't think you have to be a chartist or an expert. But if you see the formation of the M formation failing, that is a very bullish signal. So let me show you some examples of where there was a setup of the M chart, of the M top, but it failed and you saw massive moves out of it. Here you can see this happens to be a chart of silver. And if you notice here, look at the action that we saw in silver here back in near the latter part of 2025. You see we had this action go up here. We went down. We formed the second part of the M. And look, we only went down a little bit, consolidated a bit, and look at the rocket move that we made, all because the M top, we didn't have a completion of the M top. It failed, and look at the massive move that we had in silver, and that caused just a huge push in silver, all from the failed M top formation. That's looking at it from a daily chart. Here you see a recent high flyer in ticker symbol UPC. And this is on the minute chart. As I said, you can not only utilize this for day trading, you could also utilize it for investing. And the longer term would be for investing. The shorter term, which would be in this example, would be for day trading. Again, looking at the M top, you see this action here. You see this part, the M top, it didn't go all the way up. Remember I said it could go a little bit below or a little bit above. It doesn't necessarily have to be parallel at the top. But if you notice, we pulled back a little bit, consolidated just a tad. Notice we didn't drop all the way down to where we started. We went and we blasted off higher because, once again, the M top failed. So when you have a pattern that's starting to look bearish and it doesn't complete the bearish formation, it immediately turns bullish, and you can see massive moves out of those failed bearish formations. And again, one of the most bearish formations is the M top. So keep an eye on the M top formation. Usually it completes and it's a very bearish move, but if it doesn't complete and you start to see it sort of start to consolidate and not complete the M, not come all the way back down to its original state, which it normally happens in these M top formations, that usually reaps massive moves, and you can make big money both day trading and investing just by looking at this one particular action where a very bearish setup all of a sudden turns very bullish. So hope you like the content. Keep an eye on this formation. You can make a ton of money looking at it and spotting that action. Hope you like the content again. If you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.